Should get a new stream icon. Should be a good one to do. I just want to do the stuff that I didn't get to do today. Okay. Let's check out the engine stuff. So we compiled this. Compiled it. What would this look like if we just threw it onto Steam? Name implies I want to get more copies of this. There's also TF2 Classic. I got that to compile. I might need to go find the data for that. And it'd be nice to go GFscape the TF2 files right now too. It just opens all these doors. Alright, so we compiled the code. Right. Oops. Why did I go back so far? Do you want to go look at the shader code too? It's a 44 megabyte debug file, client file. Wow, TF2 is quite a nice size file. I'm gonna have to restart Steam here. So it refreshes my directories. But where is the other folder? Oh, game here. So we have to go look at modtf. Oh, and it has a launcher thing. Okay. Take a look at this. Frog Fortress 2. I didn't name it that, but I would have named it that too. Funny. It's a good name for it. Alright, so this is the VPKs. Like we could try to replace a player or something. Or a model. Game mod plus vGUI, game LV. What does LV stand for? App ID 440. Alright, let's just try to do the quick and dirty thing here first. Let's look inside bin. Alright, so bin has the 64-bit version. Oh, so, okay. Let's clean this real quick. I just want to see if it'll detect it. I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way, I guess. Try to be a little old-fashioned. What is Linux 64 doing in here? Oh, Steam ISO. Okay, I mean, Steam DLL for Linux. x64. Alright, here are the tools we compiled. So we should be using these for generating our maps. That's interesting. So we can compile VBSP to be out of range too. Like we could somehow, since the hammer now supports 64-bit, we could increase the size. We can't do it on the 32-bit version, but we can. Let's try like this. Paste this in here. So it should be pulling the files out of TF2, so that's good. That way I don't have to do this whole like super extraction thing. New TF2 logo.btmf. And I can make it this open by GIMP, but I like VTF Edit because it's a little more lightweight. I might just associate it with this for now. Team Fortress Frog. Okay, good. It's like a frog logo. I'll change that here in a second. Alright, let's see. Got our bin. Let's launch Steam. What is this? Windows bullshit. It like puts garbage in there for me. Alright. See if it detects it. I have to BRB. What should I leave running? Just run my destruction simulation here. Where is my destruction simulation? This one's not that interesting, but it's kind of cool. I like this project. Sort this. cycles. This looks crazy. See how this looks like a workbench. Cool. Gray zone warfare. What the fuck is this bullshit? Whatever. Alright. Zombie entity. Where is it? Did it register it? What the fuck happened? What the hell is this scout shit? Proton. What the fuck is Proton? I think it's some sort of development network. Natural selection. Half-Life, Left 4 Dead 2 beta. I don't know why I'm searching. Yeah, Steam, Linux runtime, Scout, Soldier, Sniper. Oh, so yeah, that's the other thing I should concentrate on is how can I have two Team Fortress Classics? Oh, there's Team Fortress Classic 2. This isn't the one though. I don't think I have this installed, but I guess it's installed. And it crashes. What the fuck? Piece of garbage. Yeah, I think I know why it crashes. It crashes for the same reason. My thing crashes. Oh well. Oh wow. It loaded the first time. Frig. Frog. It's not in here. Wow, okay. What the fuck? Did I put it in another place? Yeah. Or is it reading the Steam library off of? Is it reading it from the other place? I think it's reading it from the other place. It's reading it off C. Whoops. Whatever. Let's, I want to do that. Just to kind of give it a heads up to deallocate, deconstruct. Oh, I think it's TF2 Vintage that I just loaded. Is it? I have no idea what source branch it is, though. or if the materials are going to match. I could load a TF2 classic DLL in there. I could throw a vintage DLL in there. Should have it somewhere though. Yeah, there it is. It was checked out on the 12th. Oh wow. License. I don't know if it's even built. Steam is loading, that's why I'm also doing this. It's like the computer has enough resources to do it, I just can't do it. It's just got bottleneck of singular speed. There's no binaries, okay. It should be this one. So it is not pulling any kind of fuck. Where would I get the resources for this though? I mean the game data, the mod folder. Alright, let's just build this. Ah, okay, fine. I could compile it for 120 though on the other computer. That's what I want to set up on the other computer and remote desktop in. It's a lot better to have older binaries for stuff. It would be cooler. This is just some new error that occurs. I believe that's the fix. Stupid. No, there's more errors. Oh, it's that VGUI error. There's a little properties window here at the bottom. I like using that. Sucks we can't build this. Okay, did Steam load? Guess it did. Alright, so it's pulling the VPKs, I guess, from TF2. Should run this in debug mode, though. Yeah, I never got to look at this code like this, not in the executable. I'm guessing there's an error dialog. Assert. Oh no, there isn't. It would have crashed by now if I did that. Maybe there is. Oh, the firewall pop-up. Firewall. Oh, it's on the screen. How am I supposed to get to that? I can't get to that. Stupid crap. I think this is dumb. Wow. So is it loading or is it stuck? There is a hotkey. Okay, I have to find the hotkey to do this. Like, there is a way to get out. Oh, there it is. Got out. Okay. Yeah, this pop-up did pop up though. But getting to that was interesting. Okay, I have to go ignore all asserts, and then I have to go in and run in debug mode. I'll probably crash it here like in 2 seconds though. Did it already crash? I think so. Oh yeah, Alt space M, like that. So you can move a thing off the screen into your other screen in case it's behind some game. Alright, let's just set this up. And this shit doesn't want to build for some reason. Okay, vintage, VGOE2. It's trashed. Right, so we know that iPhones are stupid and they fall. So do Androids, but less than iPhones. Statistically speaking, Androids fall more because there's more of them. But on average, I think iPhones get dropped more than Androids because the iPhone users are stupider than the Android users because they're like spoiled there. Okay. That's my like factual statement. Okay, and what are we gonna pull this out of? It'd be cool to get all these mods to work. I should just go on a modding spree and just like try to play all these repos I have, and then just try to go through all of them, and then go to the next one. Like just massively play a bunch of them, and I could launch a lot of them off of that K drive through the debugger. So I don't understand why I didn't do it that way in the first place. I could have. I forgot about that. Whoops. All right, so we have this VGOE2, right? There's just 2 folders in here. Source and source 2 or something. Yeah, so I'm just going to do this. I believe I have to close this and this. So I won't be able to rename it. So I'm just going to like do this. Yeah. Uh-oh. Why can't I rename it? Well, why are you problematic? It shouldn't be open anywhere, though. That's why. Like, that doesn't have it open. That doesn't have it open. That doesn't have it open. Nothing has it open. The only thing that could have it open is this Visual Studio. So it still has it open, like in the background, even though it doesn't show that it has it open. Visual Studio problems. This is a common thing. Like Visual Studio just like sits there and does a bunch of weird things, which is why people prefer VS Code or Notepad++. But even VS Code starts doing the same weird shit Visual Studio does. As soon as you put IntelliSense into the game, then they attach the AI or something or some other kind of just like file checker. Oh, let's just go out and check if the file exists and like run random file opening operations while you're working on things. It's like so stupid. Okay, so we have this back open again. And what we've done is we've literally just replaced all these files. So it's like, oh, red checkbox, like what the fuck happened? Okay, let's try to rebuild this, even though I should clean it first. Yeah, the checksum didn't come out. Uh-oh, there's a lot of weird errors. Yeah, this is why I should have done this properly. Clean this. And then we have to go and regenerate it, obviously. It's not gonna work. Maybe it will. Let's just see what happens. I'm just gonna go to regenerate it anyway. Because it should fail. But who knows? I think it can fail for two reasons. Because it doesn't compile. There's some code difference. But I believe... Yeah, like up here, it already failed. Oh no, it failed for some other reason. G script symbols is undefined. Okay, following error. Oh really? This we can get rid of. That's not that bad. I forget what to do with this. It's not hard. It's easy. Just like fix this stupid thing. Oh. Okay, I know what to do with this. I don't think we should have replaced these two. I think they're identical. 10.6 megabytes. I think it was the other VGUI folder. No, it's different. There's also this folder. There's actually VGUI controls in VGUI. Yeah, there's more than one. 81 files, 540 kilobytes. I should be reading the other kilobyte value, but it's like, whatever. 81 files, 5, yeah. 369 kilobytes. Yeah, this one's a little bigger. Okie dokie. I have to close this again. Oh, I closed the wrong one, didn't I? Damn it. What did I close? What did I close? I don't know. I think I know what I closed, though. It's not that one. I believe I closed this. Right? Yep, that's what I closed. I do like to keep these open a certain way. Okay. The reason we reopened this is actually not the same reason that I thought it would be, but it's because I could just pull this out of properties. So in debugging, you have to set it up yourself. You have to do this. You have to point command to HL2 source SDK multiplayer 2013, and this is like the first step. This is like step 0. Oh, so it already points it to it. It does it for you. So it's already done. And it points it to the HL2 underscore 64-bit. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Then it points it to the repo that's inside the repo. The folder inside the repo. So it just plays it off of K anyway. Off the little mon folder. Okay, fine. Let's just do that. Let's just try it as is. Should be a little faster. I don't know. I'm used to faster computers. Like this computer just has a really slow clock time. It's like 2.3, but it has a lot of cores. So, okay, so it runs DirectX 9. It's like another build of the engine, a cleaner build. I haven't been running this build. Well, yeah, I could say that I haven't run it. I like running the 32-bit version. Simply because that's the only version I've ever ran. And I would still run the 32-bit version. I would actually compile. I have to actually see if I can compile this for 32-bit. And I can't while I'm running this. I mean, I can. I can just make a replica and just sit there in the background and compile it. I'll have enough resources to. Okay, we should get the stupid pop-up. Takes a little while for it to like decompress the VPK. Oh, it's like it's good to sit here and fiddle with stuff. Yeah, I couldn't get the stupid Stable Fusion working. Dream textures, fucking garbage. So mad at this. I don't think this is to scale. Let me see. I might have to do this again. This character. All right, we've got here. Nice. Why does it throw this shit? It always has this one to throw. Okay, tail buffer if size is not equal to 0. What's it doing? GCFG object parse. GC client shared object cache. Google client shared object. On received web API inventory received. Steam ID message prono buff. Message buff subscription. Add local search. Get GC client. Add SO cache. GC object cache. Now just probably pronobuff didn't parse. So they're using pronobuff to send over garbage. What did they request? HTTP requests are completed. Receive client web API inventory overlay. Okay, so this is the first thing that happens. They send you your inventory. HTTP request, but request, request 9. Where's the URL? Like, what the hell did they hit? It doesn't show you here, but I just wonder what this is. I was trying to open this file. Pretty sure this file is publicly available. Yeah, it's right here. Oh, it is a part of the engine. It's the guy that made the Android port. This is the other game. All right. Just want to do this little homework here for fun. Times it's 9. Inventory requests. So this is where it sends inventory requests. So it hits the web API, get inventory, gets our inventory. Huh, okay, because I have to set this up. Let me log into Steam Partner then. This is really what I wanted to do. The other thing I need to do is remember all the little things I had planned. Do I have different API IDs? Yeah, I do. Alright, so I will have to switch that off camera or something. So let's say it's this one, right? Like, what if I switch that to my actual app ID? Now I need to go and create, like, client icon library assets. Sure. Edit store page. Manage your Steam playtest, edit Steamworks settings. I'm looking at my Steamworks stuff. Manage economy. Yeah, so how would I manage? I don't think it's supposed to be on this page. This is for searching if I have stuff. Do I do it inside of the other app? Like, I think I have to do it in the other app. What the fuck? Oh, I found it. Okay, so there's no item definitions. It's like working on two apps. Add dynamic property. New dynamic properties documentation. View tech documentation. Okay. Item dev properties. how can I do it? An item URL? Okay. Could just download my other item schema and import it into this, which would be like faster, I think. Oh, okay. I could just upload it somewhere. Okay. No. This is stupid. Dumb crap. I don't want to do any of this. Why does this stupid wrench not work? Okay. Cycle the cone. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, they have to do this thing called apply. That's stupid. Why is this so dumb? Whatever. And the order you rotated it matters, or something, according to quadraturnians. Okay, just do our little bullshit. Usually you just have to do something like, is it I for inset? Okay, I guess this is almost done. Where's the stupid knife? Oh. How do you make it straight? I guess you can go like this. It's not straight though. Damn it. Whatever. Uh-oh, I didn't do it on the right side, did I? Why is that all screwed up? Fuck. That did get screwed up. How did that get screwed up? It's like, when did that get screwed up? The fuck? Oh. can't redo. That's bad. Does that look wrong? Yes. Like, what the fuck? How do you do it then? No. Is it still screwed up? Yes, it does. It's not good at doing this, is it? Do this. Exact fast solver, threshold, overlap solver. I don't know, whatever. Just do it right. No. Difference, intersect, fast, solver. So it does this weird thing. So there's like a problem. It doesn't know how to do it. Interesting. It gives you a preview of what it will do. Maybe just do fast. The fuck? Oh, that's what it did. smooth or something. Doesn't even make a difference. That's good enough. Whatever. What's our poly count? Okay, good. We're under 256 triangles. Excellent. Now we need the texture. Fuck. I like doing this really slow, but whatever. And then I've got, I think we need to merge this. Like, where the fuck is this? Like, how do you make it one object? Parent, snap, object, convert, mesh? That's not the right way of doing it, though. It should be like parent or object, or add, select. Should be an object. Join, I think, is the one. Yes, okay. So we join that. And at that, I don't think we need the camera. recycle it. Maybe use the normal and the texture in the same plane. Alright, whatever. I think better colors though. Save a little bit of rectangle here. Damn it. How do I find the coloring? What is this crap? What the fuck? Okay, good. Spent way too much time on this crap. Some high definition AAA texture. Oops. I think it screwed things up. Damn it. What was the gun that had that? I think it was weapon. Oh, it was that really old grenade launcher. I need to go get that thing. Just stop it and then it runs again. It's like really bad for the computer to do that. What does it say? This mod's app ID, not TF2's app ID. Fixed binary to hex, to do, repeat uses str and cat, 0 and 2 due to repeated uses of str and cat. Okay, whatever. It's not too bad. It's like not doing that like every loop. So it's like a random and synchronous call. Alright, so NIT post GC. See what the call stack looks like. Alright, so post down at INIT, no systems, clients is client is INIT. Okay. This is garbage, damn it. It takes too long. Oh, okay, so Team Fortress 2 API gets inventory. Can we copy this somehow? Might be able to. I know it's not going to give me my actual inventory, even though I could sniff this out using Marshark and get the actual no app ID specified. Okay, that's what happens if you just call it. Because you can call that with equip, unequip from class. So it didn't get shit. This is the problem. I know where that file's at too. Can we skip over this? Like, who cares? Exception. Oh. What was the problem? Dirty bits. This was Neil Pointer. How does he call this? Econ item equipped. The error stems right here. It's this item. This item doesn't exist. But like, well, what the fuck did he get? He didn't get shit. How come it returned something? Yeah, it's a piece of shit. It's like broken. They never checked if get an inventory item by ID actually get something. It doesn't get anything. Just returns something. Some garbage. Right. Let's go back to this. What does this do? Okay. This is where the problem lies. It's like there's no item. The item ID is 0. If index equals I, return null. But there was no item. There was nothing. So whoever wrote this was retarded. Yeah, this is like, there's a lot of problematic TF2 code. It assumes you have this giant fucking cloud of information you're gonna get. If you don't have it, you die. Slot 0, class 1. How do we get past this? Or not? Oh, I'm just gonna break. That just happened. Request for Twitch stream succeeded. Cool. What is this doing? Oh, nice. TF2 streams. fixing this one up just to see if I can get it to run. It's dumb. Why? Alright, that's not that bad, that's not that bad. Like, who cares? Like, damn it. Where's this stupid thing? Treat warning as errors. No. Alright, let's see if this did. Yeah, it's just kind of, I'm just getting warmed up. It's like multi-building systems, fixing things here and there, going around looking at stuff. And I gotta go. There's a way to recompile this without the system running, I think. Or maybe there's not, because it's TF2. How do we inject? Okay. I was going to... It's not going to work, though. Okay, this is where the real error occurs here. Index is 0. But what did it return? Yeah, so there is an item. It's just like... Get equip class, the scout. The slot. Why is the slot set to some fucking garbage? The slot is set to garbage. Assert. Get item ID. What is the item ID? Item ID is 0. Okay. So the item ID is invalid. I know that. So we can see here, just by looking at the autos, or the locals, same thing almost. What does the locals give? Oh, P index. And I index 0. So it's always setting the index to 0. Then it hits this. So if it's 0, which it will be, if item ID is 0, it'll just get some fucking unknown item. Item ID 0, if item. Okay. And this is what the code used to be. Sometimes you do want it to crash. Like if you want to be like, oh, why is it setting this to 0? They're hacking or something, or whatever is going on. Okay. GitHub Copilot is now free. So is Microsoft Copilot. Isn't it the same thing? They just like piss me off. All right. I think it auto moves the DLL so I don't have to do it like I did before, sitting there and copying it every time that happened. Okay, I have a Steam context. Don't understand. That's where the hell my other window went. Oh. Inventory, web inventory, think. Oh, I like the naming convention here. Okay, so get inventory, so it's thinking. Damn it. Get it faster. I'm gonna need to take another screenshot of this weapon though. App ID, get app ID. I wonder what app ID it got. That's how you format strings. Fuck. You want to check this out though. Fuck. I need it to go. Well, I just want to make sure it's the right app ID. Okay, so how do we check that? Where did I put this value? We're not going to find out anyway. Let's just leave it at that. Okay, so we're stuck at tier 1 utility buffer. Nor all asserts. Okay. We're back here again. Damn it. Where I modified the code, I didn't put a breakpoint. It's not bueno. It's a breakpoint right there. Okay. So it's just skipping over that. this is going to be happening for a really long time. We're in some kind of really long loop. What class are we on? 2? Okay, yeah. Let's just disable our breakpoints. Go. Alright, good. We're in. Oh, fuck. That's pretty cool. Oh, fuck, do you disable that? Steam Music API? Cool. Damn it. I wasn't able to disable the music in time. It's unbelievable, this achievement. Fuck. Still gonna do it though, I guess. Because I have it in the other source code and how to do it and how to play that music. crashed. Can't do that yet. Alright, I'm gonna take a break.